Hello, friends. Welcome to the Leo English channel. I'm Leo Darren, and I'm so happy you are here. Today, we will talk about family. You will learn how to speak about your family in simple English. Let's begin. Section 1. Family words. Let's start with some family members. Repeat after me. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother. Now in full sentences. This is my father. That is my mother. I have one brother. I have two sisters. My grandfather is 70 years old. My grandmother is very kind. Great job! Section 2. Talking about your family. Now let's make simple sentences about your family. Examples. I live with my family. I have a big family. I have one sister and two brothers. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. Repeat. I have a small family. I love my family. My sister is a student. My brother is 10 years old. Very good. Section 3. Asking and answering. Let's practice with questions. How many people are in your family? There are 5 people in my family. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. No, I don't have any sisters. Repeat. I have one brother. I don't have any sisters. My family is very nice. Well done. Section 4. Speaking practice. Let's make a short paragraph. Hi, my name is... I have people in my family. I live with... My father is... My mother is... I love my family. Example. Hi, my name is Omar. I have 6 people in my family. I live with my parents and my sisters. My father is a driver. My mother is a housewife. I love my family. Now, pause and try your own paragraph. Say it slowly and clearly. Section 5. Speaking Challenge. Let's do a challenge. Say 3 things about your father. Say 3 things about your mother. Say 2 things about your siblings. Example. My father is strong. He works every day. He is kind. My mother is smart. She helps me. She makes delicious food. My brother is funny. My sister is very friendly. Now you try. Section 6. Vocabulary List. New words from this lesson. Family, father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, live, people, housewife, kind, friendly. Repeat and review these later. That's it for today. Now you can talk about your family in English. Practice every day. Thank you for joining me. I'm Leo Darren, and this is the Leo English channel. See you soon. Keep learning, keep smiling, keep speaking English. Goodbye.